Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth product reviews. Today, we're diving into a unique solution for toe-related issues that's making waves in the market, the ZenToes Reusable Fabric Toe Buddy. If you've been struggling with hammertoes, overlapping toes, or discomfort from various foot conditions, this might just be the best toe buddy you've been looking for. Let's start by exploring what makes the ZenToes Reusable Fabric Toe Buddy stand out. Designed to address a range of toe alignment issues, this product aims to provide comfort and relief without invasive measures. Made from soft, breathable fabric, it ensures that your toes stay cushioned and supported throughout the day. Unlike traditional splints, the Toe Buddy is reusable, making it a cost-effective choice for long-term use. Whether you're an athlete needing extra support during intense workouts or simply seeking relief from everyday foot discomfort, the ZenToes Toe Buddy adapts to your lifestyle. Applying the Toe Buddy is straightforward. Simply slide it onto your toes to gently straighten and prevent rubbing against your shoes. It's discreet enough to wear under socks and in most footwear, ensuring you can go about your day with ease. The adjustable straps allow for a customizable fit, catering to different toe sizes and shapes. Compared to other toe alignment products on the market, the ZenToes Toe Buddy stands out for its versatility and comfort. While some may opt for rigid splints, the fabric design of the Toe Buddy offers a more forgiving and adaptable solution. In conclusion, if you're in search of a reliable toe alignment solution that blends comfort with effectiveness, the ZenToes Reusable Fabric Toe Buddy could be your best bet. Its user-friendly design and positive impact on foot health make it a worthwhile investment. That wraps up our review today. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more product reviews that help you make informed choices. Until next time, this is Product Critique signing off.